I do this at the house, but this also comes in handy for trailside repairs. Whether you have extra grease like this or not, it doesn't matter. You just don't want sand and dirt getting in around your bearings or where the seals ride or any of that. So I carry some large pieces folded up in a Ziploc bag in my toolkit just for stuff like this. And you just rip off the size you need. Sorry, I'm watching two things again like last video. Watching what I'm doing in the screen. Anyways, since I'm going to be flopping this around on a piece of cardboard in the yard, that's my shop for the day. I'm using all my bike tools, the stuff I carry, and doing all my repairs that way, as if I was on the trail. But anyways, while I'm flopping this around, changing the tire out, now I don't have to worry about getting that dirty. Like I said, it works great on the trail. Works just as good, and I haven't wiped this off yet, which I'm about to, but as soon as I do, I'm not even going to pull this off. Well, you know what, I might check it real quick, but I think it'll be fine. But I'm going to check for dirt anyways. Anyways, after I do that, I'll put that right back, cover this up. That way I don't have to worry about any dirt getting inside here, because I do usually put a light coat of grease on the axle, which means dirt can be attracted to the grease that's inside there. So anyways, another quick tip.